What's up, guys? Today we got something kind of cool for you guys. Thought some of y'all might need this in the future in case you run across something like this. But we got a service call. We've got a 2005 Peterbilt 379 with a C15 A-Cert twin turbo. So this one was an interesting call that we got. So we'll show you guys what we did to figure it out and how to fix it. So you guys stick around. All right, so the customer calls this morning and says that he cleaned his truck up and he had an auxiliary light under here that went bad. And when he went to replace it, he touched the wire against the side of the truck and it arced, blew a fuse or something happened, but his truck wouldn't crank. When he got in his truck, he also noticed that he didn't have any power locks working. So we come out here and started checking the fuses, of course. And under here is the fuse block, and we found the 10-amp fuse that was blowed, and that was the problem with the door lock. That still didn't fix his problem. So then we started diagnosing the issue of why the truck's not going to crank. So let me get the camera turned around here and I'll show you kind of what we did and what we figured out and how we decided we could fix it and how the customer wanted to fix it because of the age of the truck. All right, so we started checking here to ECM to see if we had power. What we did know is we had no power coming through our OBD2 port. When we hooked the scanner up to it, it didn't show anything but the brake module. So Wild Man Wally and his electrical guru-ness jumps in with his fluke meter and a test light and walk them through what you did there, Wally.
Essentially, you have on Caterpillar, you got your engine harness right here. This goes to all your sensors and everything. And on your other side right here, this goes to your cab controller. The engine would turn over, but we know it wouldn't crank. So we checked for power at the back of the ECM, found that we had power on everything, but our key on engine hot. Or yeah, key on hot.
So we traced everything down where it goes through here, and the problem is from here back. So the customer, because of the age of the truck, was afraid he'd have damage to his dash. So what he wants us to do is run a wire from the ignition down through the firewall and come out right here. Pull out right here. And then we're gonna put it in wire loom and tie it in down here. You see we got a jumper wire that's hooked to that. And let me show you what happens when we try to crank it. Because if you run a straight hot, it'll crank, but it won't cut off. You can see we've got the ignition out. This supplying power to the ECM. And you can see it will kill with that off. So what we're going to do is put a spade connector here, solder a wire, run it down through the dash, out through the firewall, and tie it in down here. That'll fix it, won't it, Wally?
Yep, that's gonna get us going.
That's gonna get us going.
Get back on the road.
Get him back going. All right, guys, like always, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. You guys have a great one. We got some more wiring work to do. You guys be good. See ya.